Dear sirs, during the month of April, we propose to increase the prices of a number of the items at present in the catalog. The increases are necessary because of the higher costs we now have to absorb. If your branch is going to issue a new catalog, you should not proceed with it until you have the new prices. New line. Please remember that you must not issue your list until we post you the new prices. Yours truly,